Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm again going to share a haul video. Now recently I purchased a lot of skincare which is kind of winter appropriate. So if you want to know what those are, then stay tuned. Hey guys, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Moitri Haldar. I do make a lot of beauty and skincare related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. Jumping straight into the haul, the first two products that I got are from Dove. Now you guys know I really love Dove body scrubs and I've tried the rice one and also the kiwi one in the past. So this time I got the pomegranate one. Both of the rice one and the kiwi one had a little bit of a thicker consistency, but this one is liquidy and I don't think I'm going to repurchase this particular variant. I'm again going to shift to my favorite, the rice one. But yeah, it was in sale and I got this one for 550 rupees for this humongous charge. I really wanted to try their dry shampoo, but I don't know if it does anything for my hair. I don't really feel that it gives me enough volume. It reduces the greasiness a little bit, but my scalp is not that greasy, so I really wanted a voluminous dry shampoo which Batiste used to give me, but this one, nah, I don't really like it. And I also got this one in the sale for about 359 or 400 rupees, but the MRP is something about 599 rupees. The next product that I got is this Joy pH 5.5 moisture balancing and healthy cleansing gel face wash. I saw Shamapti talking about this and I really like this. This is a very gentle cleanser, plus it is so affordable, easily available even in your neighborhood grocery store. I got it from Big Basket, but yeah, this one is so nice. It is, I think, available in Nykaa or Amazon, but it cost about 225 rupees and I pay something about 189 rupees in the daily sale that Big Basket is going on. But yeah, this has really nice humectant. It does has a little bit of fragrance which is not overpowering, and it does gives me that nostalgia kind of face wash fragrance, so I really like it. Let's talk about some repurchase. Now I love Formula RX vitamin C and I really adore that vitamin C to my heart, and I feel that that is the best all-rounder and vitamin C serum available in India. So I restocked the vitamins and I've purchased this lactic acid 10% airbrush facial in the past, and I wanted to do a review but I didn't had any bottle to show you, so I bought another one, and stay tuned for the review. Both of them are amazing. I got this one for about like 799 rupees, this one for 999 rupees. Both of them are my love, and they were also running a sale of about 10% off. Coming on to the sale, the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I only bought like one thing from there because this was only available in Nykaa at that moment. I didn't get any offers in Amazon, and it was also out of stock in Amazon. So this is basically the famous Braun facial hair remover or something. I initially thought it is an epilator. It's actually a face trimmer or razor to be precise. So facial razor, if you are familiar with, I do shave my face and I do buy like a 4 packet which lasts me about 2 months, maybe 1 month, depends on if my sister is also using it, but that is also kind of wasteful. So I got this one instead, and oh my god, it changed my life. The people raving about this one, yeah, I get the rage. It also comes with a brush, but it doesn't comes with a pouch, so I have my own pouch. But oh my god, it is so nice. You can literally shave your face every single day without any single form of irritation. I also saw Rubina Di talking about this and I was convinced that I need to get it. But yeah, this is such an amazing product if you are from a sensitive skin genre, and if you feel like every time you shave your face with a razor it becomes red and bumpy and your skin barrier is compromised. This is amazing. You should definitely invest in this one. It cost me about like 1400 rupees in the sale, but the MRP is something about 1700. Totally worth it. From all of the products that I'm mentioning in this video, this one you should definitely invest at least once. I really wanted to try a body oil from Plum, and this particular scent, the Vanilla Vibes one, is really famous, especially in the body oil category, and I got this and I'm really disappointed because it is a body oil and it's supposed to be super moisturizing, super hydrating, but it is very light oil, which is a plus point if you have oily or combination skin on your body. But if you have dry skin like mine, I don't have like dry skin especially on my face, but my body skin is especially dry and acne prone. This one didn't trigger my body acne, but it didn't do anything for the moisturization part. What I do, I pair this up with the Sugandha lactic acid body lotion that I'm using, and I first apply this one and then top it off with this one. That way it does gives me a long lasting moisturization, but standalone I don't really find it that much helpful. A little bit different than your skincare, so I recently went to Zara to pick up a jacket that is available in online, but I wanted to try it and then buy it, but that jacket is sadly not available for the 2 times I went to Zara. So I thought of like indulging in this whole range of Zara perfumes, and I am a little bit disappointed. So I got these 2 fragrances from Zara. The first one is Tuberose or Tuberose, and the second one is Apple Juice. Both of them are very highly rated. I smelled all of the perfumes that were there. Zara wala men's perfume that is very famous, it smells exactly like a sweet shop, which is nice, but I don't really like gourmand fragrance. The Apple Juice one is a very citrusy, very fresh fragrance, and it's also sweet, but it is not sweet to a point that is very choking. So it's a very like everyday kind of fragrance. And Tuberose is kinda, I will say, a little bit floral, a little bit musky, but the musk part is very low. It's more of a florally nauseating kind of a fragrance. I bought this because I really like the fragrance when I smelled it in the Zara store, but when I got home and I smelled it again, I don't really like it that much. So yeah, I got 2 chotu bottles of these one, and they cost about 590 rupees each. So I really wanted to try the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream, and I got the small one. It cost me about like 250 rupees. I really wanted to try this before investing in the full one, and I absolutely love this. I've already placed my order. I will link everything that I'm mentioning in the bottom box below, so don't worry. But this one is such a hydrating cream. It can be used by both oily combination or even dry skin people in the winter time. If you face a lot of dehydration in the winter time, which is really common in winters, this one is perfect. It moisturizes without making your skin dull. And talking about making your skin dull, I'm going to make a video on top like skincare mistakes that people make, especially in the winters, which makes your skin look dry and dull. So stay tuned. But yeah, this cream is wonderful. I also repurchased these 2. This is my holy grail sunscreen ever. I love this. I adore this. This is Biore UV Watery Essence SPF 50 plus PA 4 pluses. I bought this just the day before the pink sale, so it was quite a bummer. But yeah, I got this for about $1,000, and this is my holy grail sunscreen. But many of you guys don't really like it, and that is perfectly fine. And I also got this Dr. Earth's Plant Stem Cells Kombucha Succulent Gel Moisturizer. I received it before in the PR, but I really like it, especially when I'm doing my gua sha, which I will come to next. But gua sha is something that I've been doing for at least, I will say, 1 year or 1.5 year now, and I will talk more about gua sha if you want me to. But whenever I'm doing a gua sha, I really need like a lot of moisturizer. So I first layer my skin with this one, and then I layer with emollient based moisturizer for my gua sha to not tug and pull my skin. So this moisturizer is really nice, especially for oily skin people in winter, and the ingredients is super nice. It has so many good antioxidants. Kombucha is really good for your overall skin pigmentation, and kombucha is something that many people just apply it raw on their face just like apple cider vinegar, but I don't really suggest it. Formulate it in a cream like this. It is wonderful. It is super nice. Doesn't really makes your skin greasy or dull, and sits beautifully under makeup. Coming on to the last 3 products, all of them are repurchased. First one is the Via Naturals Niacinamide Serum. I have raved about this serum. I always have this one in my vanity whenever I'm facing any kind of skin issues, any redness, any irritation. I really like to apply this. This is a very lightweight serum, and it also comes in a pump dispenser. If you are curious about the review, I will link my review playlist in the bottom box below, and you can go ahead and check it. This is such a holy grail one. I got this one in sale for about 490 rupees or 450 rupees. The next one is Physiogel. This particular barrier cream is my go-to barrier cream, especially in the winters, because it is super moisturizing, helps with your skin barrier, and especially in the winters when your skin barrier is hugely compromised, Physiogel really saves me. I got this one for 475 rupees, and it comes in a 50-gram tube. And lastly, this peel from Minimalist saves my life. This is their HA 25%, PHA 5%, and BHA 2%. I use this peel because this is winter time. My skin is much more prone to a lot of blackheads and whiteheads because I layer a lot of products, especially in the night time. So I use this one for about like 2 times a month, not more than that, and it really gives me that smooth, texture-free skin. If you are really beginner into peels and chemical exfoliation, then watch my video video on chemical exfoliation and my other video in my skincare playlist, which I will mention in the bottom box below. But this is a peel, so don't use it as a serum. I'm again going to caution you, use it as a face mask, not a serum. But yeah, I got this one for about 650 rupees in the sale, and the MRP is 699 rupees. Oh, I almost forgot to mention these two products, and I promise these are the last two products. The first one is a pepper spray, and I always keep a pepper spray in my bag, any bag that I'm carrying, and I'm really thankful that I have never gotten a chance to use a pepper spray, but I always use it. Please, everyone should carry a pepper spray in this world. You should keep your safety to yourself and take charge of it. I got two of these, one for my sister and one for me. It also comes in this keychain holder, which you can attach it to your bag or your keys anywhere. And lastly, I got a gua sha. Now the previous gua sha I had, which my friend gifted me from Bangkok, that I think like 2 days or 5 days ago, it just broke. I just broke it. But yeah, I got this gua sha from this brand called as Smith, and this one is a very affordable one, 499 rupees. I was just curious what this gua sha was, but the overall edges and the curve and everything does reminds me of the authentic gua sha that I was using. That one was super expensive, but this one is very cheap, and this is the best gua sha in that 400 rupees or 500 rupees ka price tag that you can get in India. I will link it in the bottom box below. But yeah, this gua sha is really nice. It is rose quartz, and I feel that jade and rose quartz are very similar in terms of the crystal energy, that if you are into that crystal thing, then you might know. But yeah, both of them have a very similar wavelength and crystal energy. But if you are just looking for a facial massager or a gua sha, then this one is your go-to. It also comes with a very cute pouch that you can store it, and every time you are using a gua sha or every time you are touching it, please wash it in a soapy water, dry it, and then store it, because this is something that you apply it on your face. Do not let any kind of bacterial growth to be formed in your gua sha, because that will show on your skin and you feel like gua sha made your skin worse. But yeah, gua sha does helps you with that overall puffiness, because I'm someone who films videos. Some videos you might find my face to be a little bit puffy. In some videos you might feel my face snatched. It is not because of the makeup or the lighting. I've used very minimal makeup, but it is because your overall bloat. If you are someone who faces a lot of bloating, and also if your face is a lot of puffy, gua sha can really help. I use gua sha about like 2 times a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. So hey guys, this was my chotu sa haul video. I'm going to do another haul video in the upcoming future, because I placed an order of newest skincare that is available, and you guys requested a lot, so stay tuned for that video. Let me know how you feel about this video in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my haul videos. Share this video to any of your friends who is a haul fanatic like you and me. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.